Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about install Windows 11 in VirtualBox. You can install Windows 11 on a VirtualBox virtual machine, as demonstrated in this guide. Oracle's VirtualBox is an open-source virtualization platform that allows you to easily create virtual machines that run Windows 11, Windows 10, or another operating system alongside the main installation on the same hardware. This guide will teach you the steps to create a virtual machine and install Windows 11 in VirtualBox. Please subscribe my channel and like videos. If you plan to set up a Windows 11 virtual machine, you will need to install VirtualBox, download the latest ISO file of Windows 11, and then continue with the instructions below. To install Windows 11 22H2 or 21H2 in VirtualBox virtual machine, use these steps. Open VirtualBox. Click the machine menu and select the new option. In the name field, confirm a descriptive name for the virtual machine, for example, Windows 11. In the folder setting, specify the location to store the virtual machine. In the ISO image setting, specify the path and Windows 11 ISO file name. Check the Skip Unattended Installation option. Click the Next button. Select 4 GB or more system memory to allocate for the machine. Select 2 or more processors, depending on your hardware configuration. Check the Enable EFI option. Check the Create a Virtual Hard Disk Now option. Select 64 GB or more to install Windows 11 on the virtual machine. Click the Next button. Click the Finish button. Right-click the virtual machine, select the Start submenu and choose the Normal Start option. On the Windows Setup page, click the Next button. Click the Install Now button. Click the I don't have a product key option. You can always activate it after the installation. Select the edition of Windows 11 your license key activates, if applicable. Check the I accept the license terms option. Click the Next button. Select the Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced option. Select the hard drive, Drive 0 unallocated space, to install Windows 11 22H2 or 21H2 on a VirtualBox virtual machine. Click the Next button. Select your region setting after the installation on the first page of the out-of-the-box experience, OBE. Click the Yes button. Select your keyboard layout setting. Click the Yes button. Click the Skip button if you don't require configuring a second layout. The computer will automatically connect to the network if it uses an Ethernet connection. If you have a wireless connection, you must set up the connection manually. A security key may be required. Confirm a name for the computer. Click the Next button. The device will restart automatically. Select the Setup for Personal Use option if you are setting up a copy of Windows 11 Pro. The Home Edition does not have this option. Click the Next button. Click the Sign In button. Confirm your Microsoft account email, phone number, or Skype identification to create an account. Click the Next button. Confirm your Microsoft account password. Click the Next button. Click the View More Options setting. Select the Setup as New Device option. Click the Next button. Click the Create PIN button. Create a new 4-digit PIN. Click the OK button. Confirm the privacy settings best suit your situation by turning on or off the toggle switch for each setting. Click the Next button. Click the Next button again. Click the Accept button. On the Customize Your Device page, select one or more ways you plan to use the device to allow the setup to suggest tools and services customization during this experience. Click the Accept button to continue. Or click the skip button to skip this part of the setup. Select the next button to automatically upload your desktop, pictures, and documents folders to the cloud. Or select the only save file to this PC option. Click the next button. Click the decline button to skip the Microsoft 365 setup. Click the skip for now option to skip the Game Pass promotion. After the installation, on the Windows 11 desktop, click the Devices menu and select the Insert Guest Additions CD image option. The Guest Additions is the package that contains all the VirtualBox drivers to allow the operating system to work correctly in the virtual environment. Open File Explorer in the virtual machine, Windows key plus E keyboard shortcut. Click on this PC from the left side. Under the Devices and Drives section, double-click to open the VirtualBox Guest Additions disk. Double-click the Box Windows Additions.exe file to launch the installer. Click the Next button. Click the Next button again. Click the Install button. Select the Reboot Now option. Click the Finish button. After you complete the steps, the virtual machine will restart, and you can start using Windows 11. Please subscribe my channel and like videos.